Can you tell me something about the formulas and the recipes of your products?
Well, recipes are secret. You won't get those. Our recipes are secrets. We don't share them with anybody else. We do all our products in our own laboratory, and then we send them directly to our customers. One important thing is that we don't put any fillers there. Make the bigger sizes of the cream.
We don't put any. That's why they're so cute.
Yes, yes. We don't put any additives. We don't put any preservatives. We want to nurture skin or microbiome, and then we don't put, any scents. So the scents comes also from the products. So if you are very sensitive, you still can use our products. And tiny amount is enough. And these are really concentrated, nutritious skincare, because we make sure that there are a lot of antioxidants and omegas, good stuff to your skin.
I love how your products look, but I'm not really used to the products looking like that. I'm used to them being white or some random color.
Yeah,
so could you tell me what that is about?
Yeah, I love that question. Yes. We focus on food grade ingredients instead of cosmetic grade ingredients. Food grade ingredients you can taste. This is our gorgeous olive oil. You can taste it, you can smell it. But cosmetic grade, even it's organic, you can't taste it. It's not for human nutrition. So we focus on food grade ingredients and no additives, nothing else than just the gourmet ingredients. And you get the full of potent nutrients. But look at this.
The difference.
The difference. This is our beeswax. Colors, remember, nutrients. All beneficial nutrients and scientifically proved also. And look at the share. It's beautiful. This is organic, unbleached. Many times the cosmetic grade ingredients, they have to be chemically touched and processed to get this white color and also take the odor away and so on. Colors means us nutrients, and nutrients means healthier skin. We don't put any additives or fillers or any other colors except the colors from the real ingredients. So there comes the color from the ingredients.